Here's another easy way to change lip color in Photoshop. First, select the lips area using the lasso tool. Make sure to select the upper lips and lower lips separately. First, select the upper lips, then hold the Shift key to select the lower lips. Next, go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color, and choose your favorite color for the lips. Now go to Window Properties, and set the feather to 10px for smoother edges. Then go back to Layer Settings, open Blending Options, and adjust the settings until the color looks natural. Here's the effect. If you think the lips look too shiny or bright, you can simply add a blur effect to make it softer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Netto Doch.